You hold me up like
This my baby.
I am?
And ain't nobody finna touch
I
it.
ain't no baby, alright?
High five.
Hey! It's your reflection, you idiot!
不要咬我，再咬我，
噔哒噔，
你再咬我，
你
再咬我，啊你要砍你。
Don't be fucking rude.
Are you kidding me?
I swear to God,
Stop.
don't be fucking
What
rude
are you
and throw the thing on
doing?
me. I'll fucking hurt you. Don't do that.
Stop. Oh my God.
Is it just me, or has anybody ever had to explain to somebody that no, I wasn't a cutter, I don't cut myself, but the scars on my arms are because I have two furry little assholes that don't know the difference between playtime and a fight to the death?